Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, if you like meat, and if you like cider and you want to learn how to make it for yourself, this is the place for you. Are you new here? Please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time that I'll come out with a new wine and a new video. Today we'll be making a mulled apple wine, so stay tuned. I just want to apologize to you, my viewers, because I hadn't released a video in 2 weeks. Y'all may not know that I have epilepsy and have been seizure free for about 6 years until 2 weeks ago. So it took me a week to get over it physically because it beats me up, and it took probably another week after that for me to get mentally, emotionally right so I can actually create content for you guys. So now that we got that out of the way, let's make some mulled wine. Today we'll be making a mulled wine. Winter's getting here and the temperatures are dropping, so let's enjoy it with a warm mulled wine. So let's go over with what you need. First, you're going to need 750 milliliters of a white wine. This is my apple wine that I made, and I'll put a card to where I made it. We're going to be adding 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to use light brown sugar. So I would go with a drier wine, medium bodied, like a Chardonnay maybe. We're going to have 6 cloves, nutmeg, 1 cup of water, and 1 orange sliced up. So let's get started. Step 1 is to get your water to simmering over medium heat. Over medium heat, we got simmering 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, one orange sliced up, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, some nutmeg, 1 cup of water. I'm going to let this simmer for 10 minutes and we'll be right back. Let's turn up the heat a little bit. Let's get it simmering. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. And our solution has been straining and standing for 20 minutes, letting the flavors incorporate for 20 minutes. Now we strained it through some cheesecloth and a funnel to get it into the pot. And so the last step is to add our wine. This is 750 milliliters of an apple wine I made. So I'm going to add this and we'll be right back. All right, after 10 minutes, we're going to remove from the heat and let it stand and just sit in there and let the juices incorporate for 20 minutes. So we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, our solution has been steeping for 20 minutes and we strained it through. Our solution has been straining and standing for 20 minutes, letting the flavors incorporate for 20 minutes. Now we strained it through some cheesecloth and a funnel to get it into the pot. And so the last step is to add our wine. This is 750 milliliters of an apple wine I made. So I'm going to add this and we'll be right back. And I strained everything and just put it right back into this bottle. This is good for a couple of days, so if you want to have a cup, just reheat it. I'll just say stick it in the microwave. It says 6 servings, but I say 2, maybe 1. So if you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Also, there'll be links in the description below for Amazon. So if you click any of those links, even if you don't buy the items in the description, any purchase you make after that, I will get a commission on that. Help me buy more wine equipment and more more equipment and more ingredients. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.